This is my Lego Mindstorms Alpha Rex. I put in rechargeable batteries and they're fully charged, so I'm gonna turn them on right now. My dog won't stop bothering me. Her name's Luli. So I wrote a program so that he would walk around. Yeah, when he sees a wall, he will randomly turn one direction and keep walking. And yeah, I got this Mindstorm set off of eBay, and fun fact, the brick right there, the brain, that's not the original brain. When I got the set, it was used, and the original brick that it came with, when I put in batteries, here, there's my cat. Yeah, when I put in batteries, it started smoking, and its capacitor was blown. I opened it up, and the capacitor was blown, and I didn't want to fix it, so I just bought a new one. And this motor, the motor back here, this isn't actually the original motor. I have another Mindstorm set, and I changed the motor because the original motor here, I worried that the motor was stalling when the arms were moving. And I thought it was just because it was a bad motor, so I changed the motor. And I don't know, it just got fixed. It still has that problem sometimes. So, I don't know why that happens. But it's still working good. And I think it stopped now. Yeah. This is a little short bonus. Alpha Rex is still going in the living room. This is my first SMIP from 8 years ago, from 2014. I got him at a Target, and I turned him on. The chest light wasn't working right. Like, the blue light wasn't turning on, so it was just broken. So I opened him up. There are screws at the back, so I opened them up, and I couldn't get him open because the wheels had like screws in the center, and I didn't have the right tools to pry this centerpiece off, so I just closed them back up, and I put the batteries in, I turned them back on, and the center light was working again. You can see that. Yeah.